In today's video, we're going to take a look around Marriott Villas at Doral, coming right up after this. We were at Doral for only one night in December 2018, so I may not have video of everything. If I missed anything here, I'll try to get it again when we visit in December of 2019. Located in Miami, Florida, Villas at Doral is a place to get away for some golf or take in the sandy beaches of Miami and South Beach, only minutes away. Heading inside the spacious lobby, they provide comfortable places to relax while taking in the holiday decorations of the season that we saw while we were there. Check out the Marketplace Express if you're looking for a quick bite or forgot to pack something for your trip. Just be careful, the prices were very expensive. Off the lobby is a small business center, which I suspect they also use to hold their sales presentations. It was open, but there wasn't anything happening in here on the Sunday morning when I stopped in. Above the lobby, you'll find a fully equipped gym with all the exercise equipment that you would need to stay in shape during your vacation. While we take a look around the gym, I want to say thanks for watching Destination Timeshare. If you like timeshare tips, villa tours, resort reviews, and industry news, please be sure to subscribe and click that notification bell to be notified when I post new videos. A small game room off to the side will keep kids and even adults entertained on a rainy day with air hockey, a pool table, foosball, and arcade games. Before we check out the pool area, there's another small kids and team hangout room called the Vizcaya Room, located near the pool area. There are plenty of board games and a large screen television with video games. During our stay, the pool was closed for resurfacing. Guests, however, were able to use the facilities at Trump National Doral Miami Hotel across the street. Trump National was previously branded a Marriott hotel, and guests staying at Villas at Doral had reciprocal benefits that continue to this day. Marriott had planned more buildings at Villas at Doral, but due to slow sales, only 5 were completed. The remaining land was sold, and you can now see plenty of construction happening across the lake. With fewer units at the resort than the pool was originally built for, this should make finding a chair around the pool on a busy day stress-free. The outdoor area includes a lakeside walking path with a number of games to keep you entertained, an outdoor pool table, lawn bowling, and mini putt. Benches also dot the scenic lake, providing a great place to just sit and relax. You can also fish in that lake, but be sure not to catch any snakes or alligators. And in the evenings, take time to wind down and snack on s'mores in front of the fire pit. For a nightcap, spend some time at the Deco Bar and Grill, serving up light meals, snacks, or that perfect drink. With all that Villas at Doral has to offer, it can be the perfect place to spend a few days or take in some great golf during the week. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell, and let's make your next destination a timeshare.